Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install refrigerator. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Leveling your refrigerator. Be sure your fridge is placed at its final location. First, open both doors approximately 90 degrees and locate the plastic grille at the bottom of the refrigerator. Remove the front grille by using a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that attach the front base grille to the frame. Note: opening the doors to an angle greater than 90 degrees will prevent the grille from coming off. Grab both outside corners of the base grille and pull towards you, then close the doors. Perform the next steps if applicable. To stabilize and adjust the leveling tilt to the refrigerator, you must raise or lower the leveling feet located on the brackets on each side of the product with a 1/4 inch open-ended or adjustable wrench. Each leveling foot can be raised and lowered independently. Having a second person push firmly against the top of the refrigerator takes some weight off the leveling feet, making it easier to turn the feet. Stabilize the refrigerator by turning each leveling foot clockwise to lower them, so they are in firm contact with the floor. After the leveling feet are in firm contact with the floor, you may begin leveling your refrigerator. Continue turning the leveling foot to the left or clockwise to raise that side of the refrigerator. Turn the leveling foot to the right or counterclockwise to lower that side of the refrigerator. Raise and lower each leveling foot on each side of the refrigerator until the product is leveled. After the refrigerator is leveled, if you want the doors to close more easily, tilt the refrigerator to the rear by turning both leveling feet to the left the same amount. Make sure that the refrigerator is leveled by opening and closing the doors. Repeat the 2 previous steps until the refrigerator is leveled. Leveling the doors. The doors are designed to be slightly different heights when the refrigerator is empty, in order to account for the weight of food that will be placed on the doors. If doors are uneven after food has been placed inside, you can perform the next steps. First, locate the adjustable nut at the bottom hinge of the right door. This is used to raise and lower the door for alignment. Use the large end of the provided wrench to loosen the hex nut. You may substitute to an 11/16 inch open-end wrench if necessary. To adjust the height of the door, turn the alignment pin with the smaller end of the provided wrench. Turn the screw to the right to raise the refrigerator door, or turn it to the left